These training videos are created for LVM, used for Linux. LVM is in Linux. There are the two types of storage. First is standard partitions, standard storage. They are not create extend the partitions. It's one time create. And second is the LVM. LVM is a logical volume manager, and this system manage disk space feasibly in Linux. If you have your application enterprise in network and in any application is running to resizing the storage for using server, then apps are use 100 mbps, yeah, 100 gbps, yeah, they are full. To use LVM feature, they are resize dynamically and flexible the exchange expand the space of this server storage, apps storage. So there is a main benefit: feasible storage, easy to resizing, and snapshot and backup is also. First we create. There are the three types of volumes. I think volume, physical volumes, volume groups, and logical volume. Per logical volumes is 256. I have to create by default, and per volume is also 256. Then first we create the LVM. We check the if how many hard disks available in my system. To use LBLK command and minus p, they show the storage. I have two hard disks. First is hard disk is SDH 100 mbps, 100 GB, and second is SDDEV SDB 120 gbps. Now create physical volumes. The PV create simple, and which volume, which hard disk to select LVM create this physical volume. Now AVF, you have to create 120 GB in your applications. LVM storage are PV physical volume are created. Now you can create volume groups. Volume groups. PV create, and the volume group name is VG apps. And also there is the name of partitions you have to create it, VGS. Now you can see the application are created, but no any logical volume or logical volume are 0. No any partition are created for logical volume. So you can command is LV create. First of all we check any partition are available or not. Then we LV create -L 40 GB in my application to use. In my boss are say for any enterprises are you have to application is 40 GB storage in their server in the applications, 40 GB, and -N and the name of the LV apps, and also group name to add VG app. Do you want to create this? Yes. Now LVS, you can check 40 GB is allocated the space in your server applications. VG, yes, 80 GB, 80 GBs are remaining. If 40 GBs are full, then you can utilize also 80 GB. Add this LVM and use applications free and smooth working. Then we have to command is check format, which format have df minus lsblk -f. The format is xf, xfs. You can mkfs dot xf def vg full path VG apps, LV apps. There, labeling or formatting statics create the application names. You can check df minus h. Your LVMs are created, but not in applications. Hello. Are showing logical volume created 40 GBps, but no in application. Not yet any application make dir like apps. Okay, this file was already created, no issue. I have to add this file, mount this file. Hello. For def vg. Hello. From apps lv, mounting the slash app. Now you can check. Hello. LVMs are running. No LVA slash apps is 2% are used. If you check, they are full. The request or alerts in your tools to extend your partition storage space, but not affecting your operating system or directories in other folders. Now go to the apps folders, and for testings I will use this command for increase the storage space on it. Base 200 M. बेसिकली मेन कंसेप्ट जो है LVM का कि हम और इंटरप्राइज पर एप्लीकेशंस में तो हम उसे अपने स्टोरेज सर्वर का रूट डायरेक्टरी से स्टोरेज में एक हार्ड डिस्क सेट करें जिसको हम LVM में कन्वर्ट कर दें, ताकि हम फ्यूचर में इस एप्लीकेशन स्टोरेज भर गए तो हम उसे एक्सटेंड कर सकें बढ़ा सकें. दिस कमांड if def minus h for using storage, they show 100% storage full and 1.4 MB as available in the space. They are the but not affect your physical operating system. If we reboot the system, your LVM are deleted. So you can permanent this feature using LVM. Hello. After rebooting, you can edit permanent file for FS tabs. First of all, we have to check the LSPL key, command and hyphen F, and this is the hash UUID VIMs. You can see Vim etc FS tab. Now you can put the file inside and UUID equal to paste this file slash apps and also paste this also file for permanent mask it to block your router and your storage are permanent safe. After rebooting, your server is not, your LVM are safe. Let's wait 2-3 minutes for checking. Basically it is if tabs is permanent, your LV future use for permanent functions. your applications are running very well. That's all. Thank you.